Okay, this is a master padlock. This one's a number 575, as you can see there. A nightmare lock this. It doesn't look particularly substantial, but picking it, single pin picking, took me quite a while. I think it was about 30 minutes in the end, and that was sat comfortably in a chair. Bumping wise, it bumps on a MS11R bump key. Again, it was quite a difficult lock to bump. It did rake with a Bugatti rake and with a snake rake. Again, it took quite a lot of effort to do that. The fastest method seemed to be the electric pick gun. I tried it with the manual, which I did open it in about 5 minutes or so, but electric seemed quicker. Padlock shims don't work on this, neither do cone picks. Let's have a go with the electric pick gun, which no doubt it should open it, but at arm's length it is that little bit harder. Put that back in again. Putting that light amount of tension that it is a nightmare. As you can see, it has opened the lock, but it's a really tough lock this. I do rate it. I'm quite impressed. Some of the locks that Master do that are bigger aren't as good as this, but it seems all the brass bodied Master locks seem to be of a better quality than the others that look better and bigger. The brass body locks seem better for me. Anyway, that's the Master 575 open.